This bicycle is our first prize.
Only one artist can win it. Your painting looks amazing, Lily. I really love drawing my family. Her picture looks better than mine. What if Lily wins the bicycle?
Just enjoy drawing and do your best.
We will do our best, Mom.
A fair contest matters more than winning.
I will remember that, Dad. I can make my picture better. These flowers are for Mom. The judges will really like this. Thank you, Mia. I hope so.
Everyone thinks Lily will win. Your final pictures are due tomorrow. You both worked very hard today. We are proud of both of you.
Lily, don't touch that! My picture is almost finished. It is much better than mine. No one else is here yet. Without these, she cannot finish. I will only hide it today. Walking along, singing my song, bright. I want to check my picture. Lily is coming. What should I do? Please do not fall. I ruined the whole picture. Maybe I can save it. I want to check my picture. Lily is coming. What should I do? My picture is completely ruined.
I am sorry this happened, Lily. Henry, did you see anything?
No, I do not know what happened. I will try to draw it again. Use my pencils. I will help you. Thank you, Mia. Please stay with me. Oh no, my green pencil broke. Take mine. Please keep drawing. Thank you. I will not stop. She is suffering because of me. Teacher Emma, I need to...
Yes, Henry, what do you need to say? Yes, Henry, what do you need to say? Time is over. Pencils down, everyone.
But my picture is not finished yet. Please let me finish one small part.
I am sorry, Lily. The time is over. I am sorry, Lily. The rules are clear.
I understand, but I tried my best. I tried my best.
Someone stood in the spilled water. Henry, this mark looks like yours. Were you near Lily's table today?
No, Mia. I was at my own table. No, I was never near her table. Then why does the shoe mark match?
Henry, is something troubling you?
No, Teacher Emma, I am fine.
Henry will enter the final round.
Thank you, Judge Olivia.
Please congratulate our young finalist.
Thank you, everyone. Lily, are you feeling all right? I just want to go outside. Lily, please wait for me. I need to be alone. Henry, I do not want to talk to you anymore. Lily, please listen to me. Winning does not feel good now. I hurt Lily for this ribbon. Who is still drawing tonight? She is drawing the picture again. I just want to draw quietly. This picture is only for me. You still love drawing after everything? Drawing still makes me feel happy.
I almost took that happiness away. I was selfish. I must fix this. Tomorrow I will tell everyone.
Henry, please come to the stage.
Yes, Principal Daniel.
Why does Henry look so worried? I think he has something important to say.
Please wait. I need to speak.
All right, Henry, tell us the truth.
I tried to hide Lily's colors. I spilled water on her picture. Then I lied to everyone. Lily lost because of me.
Henry cannot receive the contest prize. Lily may submit a new painting tomorrow.
Thank you for giving me a fair chance.
I am sorry, Lily. I was selfish.
I forgive you, but please never lie again.
A win built on a lie brings no joy. Tell the truth and take responsibility.
A fair heart is better than any prize.